Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about Oraichain, also known under the ticker symbol ORAI. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the tokenomics, key components, the overview of how it works, and also go over a price prediction and also compare the current price and market cap to other projects to see where the price could hypothetically go in the future. So all that and more, let's get started. First things first, let's get into what it is. So Oraichain is a pioneer in AI-powered oracles and blockchain ecosystems. Going beyond traditional data oracles, it aspires to be the inaugural AI layer 1 within the blockchain domain, providing a comprehensive AI ecosystem as a foundational layer for developing cutting-edge smart contracts and dApps. So Oraichain addresses the challenges that are associated with incorporating AI into conventional blockchains, which are hampered by strictness, language disparities, and limitations in data size. So the platform seeks to mitigate the strictness of smart contracts to enhance functionality and user experience. Functioning as a public blockchain, Oraichain empowers users to formulate diverse data requests. Notably, smart contracts can securely seek data from AI APIs through Oraichain, utilizing a network constructed on Cosmos SDK with Tendermint's Byzantine fault tolerance consensus for expediting transaction confirmation. So the platform's ORAI consensus protocol aligns with delegated proof of stake, or DPoS, comprising validators by staking tokens to validators. Delegators stand to receive rewards for contributions to newly created blocks, and validators play a pivotal role in collecting and validating data from AI providers before it is inscribed onto the blockchain. So let's continue. The Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO model, underpins Oraichain's governance, emphasizing the community involvement in decision-making. So validators and stakeholders collaborate to review and approve changes when initiating the mainnet. So the platform boasts a range of innovative products and services, including AI price feeds, fully on-chain VRF, or also known as Verifiable Random Function, a data hub, AI marketplace featuring 100 AI APIs, AI-based NFT generation with copyright protection, and royalty protocol, AI-powered yield aggregator platform, and also the CosmWasm IDE, or integrated development environment. So Oraichain's Oracle fetches external data securely, focusing on AI data sources. The architecture emphasizes request formats, API testing based on test cases, test providers, API marketplace, test case marketplace, high scalability, performance, and cross-chain compatibility. So in essence, Oraichain strives to redefine the blockchain landscape by seamlessly integrating AI capabilities and overcoming the challenges posed by conventional blockchains. And it was co-founded in 2020 by Chung Dao and Duke Lee Pham and Dep Nguyen. I probably butchered those names, as I always do. So now let's get into the good stuff, the tokenomics. So ORAI is the native cryptocurrency of the ORAI blockchain, and it has a maximum supply of just 19.7 million tokens. And on the network, ORAI serves the following purposes. So there is transaction fee. So ORAI is used to pay transaction fees on the ORAI blockchain, such as when initiating and processing AI requests. There's also staking for validators. So validators within the Oraichain network stake ORAI tokens to be eligible for selections to create a block or fulfill data requests. Then there's participation in network governance. So Oraichain operates on a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO model, where token holders play a pivotal role in the decision-making and governance. Then there's also minting ORAI. So the minting process is tied to transaction fees, and new tokens are created as rewards for validators when blocks contain transactions with fees. There's also minting ORAI. So the minting process is tied to transaction fees, and new tokens are created as rewards for validators when blocks contain transactions with fees. Now, when it comes to use cases, there is the decentralized AI marketplace. So Oraichain facilitates the integration of AI into regular centralized applications through its decentralized marketplace. There's also the NFT audit and copyright management. So AI Right, developed by Oraichain, establishes a transparent and trustless NFT ecosystem. It serves as a copyright management and farming platform for NFTs. There's also face authentication. So Oraichain enables face authentication for various scenarios, from checking balances to withdrawals and executing smart contracts. There's also even fake news detection. So Oraichain's decentralized marketplace enables regular applications to verify the trustworthiness of news articles. which I thought was interesting. Now, when it comes to some key partnerships, in late of 2023, Injective and Oraichain teamed up to build the future of DeFi. So the partnerships seek to supercharge DeFi applications with AI in areas such as portfolio management, hyper-efficient market making, and data-driven risk analysis. So also Oasis integrated its Oasis privacy layer into the Cosmos ecosystem with the help of Oraichain. So the partnerships brings smart privacy primitives like OPL from the Oasis network to Cosmos. Also, Ocean Protocol and Oraichain partner to integrate AI products and services. So Ocean will provide compute to data tech to Oraichain's AI request hub and marketplace, allowing Ocean's ecosystem partners to access data and AI services from Oraichain. Now, what's interesting is, there is the Injective protocol, it has a market cap of $3.2 billion, and it's actually ranked now at the 29th position. And when you're comparing that to, for example, Oraichain, it has a 382 position when we're taking a look at the market cap positioning, and it has just a market cap of $83 million. So that's it. What's interesting is that there's projects like Injective, which are working with Oraichain and, are actually validating that Oraichain actually has some use cases. So there's big blockchain platforms like Injective that, are validating Oraichain and, basically kind of saying with these partnerships, hey, Oraichain's tech is actually trustworthy and it's good to use, and we're going to be partnering with them to make both of our blockchains better. So they're basically just validating that. And I think that's actually really interesting. And I really think it actually goes to show the strong fundamentals of Oraichain. So definitely, boosts Oraichain in that sense, right? These partnerships. So now let's get into it. So when we're taking a look at, the tokenomics, right now, there's actually only 64% that are circulating. So there's still going to be, a decent amount of inflation until the full max supply of 19.7 actually come out into supply. Right now, there's 12.7 million that are circulating. So there is going to be a little bit of inflation until that period happens. But when we're taking a look at the price action, the all-time actually doesn't look too good, right? It's down 34%, and it's currently trading at $6.54. Now, its previous all-time high was back in 2021, around the full bull period here, and it was trading then actually at a peak at around $86.16, and that was back on February 23rd of 2021. Now, when it comes to the past year, it's actually up 75%, which is pretty interesting to note as well. So it seems like there has been some recent recovery as, a lot of the market is starting to pick up again. I think it's going to be interesting to see if Oraichain can actually hit its previous all-time high, or at least go up to, where it was trading before at around $40 as well. There is definitely, I think, a potential to get to that point. Now, if it were to hypothetically get to $86 again, where would that take us, right? Where would it have to go? Well, it would actually go to the position of around $1.3 billion of a market cap, and that would be at BitTensor, actually, which is another AI platform. And that would bring the potential price then to around $86 or an upside from here, which would be 12x. Now, moving even further, let's just hypothetically say if it was that in the 50th position at around Psi, that would be at $1.7 billion, and it would then bring the potential price to $108 or an upside of 16x. Moving hypothetically even further, if it was that, for example, at Litecoin at $5.3 billion, then that would make the potential price at $345 for an upside of 52x. Let me know where you guys think Oraichain is going to go in the future. I'm curious as to also your thoughts about the project in the comments down below. Now, if you guys are planning to hold your Oraichain, maybe you want to use another cold storage wallet, then I highly recommend to use the Tangent wallet. How it works is it's a cold storage solution, and basically with this card that you have, it has an NFC reader, and you can sign transactions through this card via the application that lives on your phone. So I think it's actually a great way to diversify with another cold storage wallet. And if you want, you can use the link in the description below for a 10% discount on your purchase. Anyways, guys, my name is Trevor, also known as Mint and Max. If you like the content, do me a favor by minting me a subscription down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.